Prepare yourself for the ultimate driving experience. We're diving deep into the LS700H. From its stunning exterior to its powerful engine, the Lexus LS700H is packed with features that will blow your mind.
Let's start with the roots. The Lexus LS700H comes from a legacy of excellence, innovation, and reliability.
The Lexus LS700H isn't just any vehicle. It's the choice of those who demand perfection.
What makes the Lexus LS700H special? It's the perfect blend of tradition and innovation.
This model represents a significant evolution in its segment. The Lexus LS700H has always been ahead of the curve.
The Lexus LS700H targets discerning buyers who value quality above all else.
Its market leadership defines the Lexus LS700H. It consistently outperforms competitors because it delivers on every promise. The engineering excellence behind the Lexus LS700H is evident the moment you sit inside.
Choosing the Lexus LS700H means joining a community of satisfied owners worldwide. It's not.
The Lexus LS700H has earned its stripes through consistent performance and unwavering quality. Whether you're a fan.
As we explore every aspect of the Lexus LS700H, you'll discover why this model continues to dominate its
The Lexus LS700H is an absolute head-turner. Its exterior design speaks volumes about it.
Look at those headlights, Tevil. They're not just functional, they're works of art. The Lexus LS.
The grille design of the Lexus LS700H is instantly recognizable. It combines tradition with modernity.
Moving along the side, the Lexus LS700H displays character lines that enhance its dynamic profile.
The wheels on the Lexus LS700H are absolutely stunning. Alloy design with a modern finish that perfectly
Beneath. The rear design of the Lexus LS700H is equally impressive. The taillight cluster, bumper design.
Paint quality on the Lexus LS700H is exceptional. The finish is deep, lustrous, and incredibly durable.
The body panels of the Lexus LS700H fit together with precision. There are no gaps, no misalignments.
Aerodynamics aren't forgotten in the design process. The Lexus LS700H has been wind-tunneled.
In summary, the Lexus LS700H's exterior design is a masterclass in modern auto.
Step inside the Lexus LS700H, and you'll immediately feel the difference premium quality makes.
The seats in the Lexus LS700H are exceptionally comfortable, even on long drives. Premium upholstery.
Doors slightly. Storage compartments throughout the Lexus LS700H are thoughtfully placed.
Cabin space in the Lexus LS700H is generously proportioned. Whether you're in the front or rear, there's plenty of legroom.
Climate control in the Lexus LS700H is zone-based and incredibly precise. The air conditioning system maintains your desired temperature with minimal fluctuations.
Doors slightly. Storage compartments throughout the Lexus LS700H are thoughtfully placed.
The sound insulation in the Lexus LS700H is exceptional. Road noise, wind noise.
Visibility from inside the Lexus LS700H is excellent. Large windows, well-positioned mirrors, and good
Ergonomics in the Lexus LS700H have been carefully studied and optimized. Steering wheel positioning, pedal placement.
The overall interior experience of the Lexus LS700H is one of refined luxury.
Smartphone integration is seamless on the Lexus LS700H. Whether it's Apple CarPlay or Android Auto,
The sound system in the Lexus LS700H delivers concert-quality audio. Multiple speakers are
safety features on the Lexus 700H are comprehensive.
The driver assistance features in the Lexus LS700H are incredibly helpful. Adaptive cruise control.
Camera systems on the Lexus LX7 X100 AC.
Enabling
The navigation system in the Lexus LX700H is powered by advanced mapping technology, real-time traffic.
Climate preferences in the Lexus LX700H can be remembered and automatically adjusted. The system learns your
equal. Keyless entry and push-button start on the Lexus LX700H at a touch of modern convenience.
Hain 60 is. Overall, the technology suite in the Lexus LX700H is sophisticated yet accessible.
In conclusion, the Lexus LX700H's hybrid engine is a perfect representation of what this vehicle offers.
High power. The Lexus LX700H produces substantial horsepower, translating to brisk acceleration and confident
torque output on the Lexus LX700H is equally impressive. This low-end grunt makes launching from stops effortless and provides
The transmission in the Lexus LX700H is a technological achievement in itself. Smooth gear transitions.
Fuel efficiency on the Lexus LX700H is genuinely impressive. Despite its power, this hybrid vehicle Fuel efficiency on the Lexus LX700H is genuinely impressive. Despite its power, this hybrid vehicle
Engine reliability on the Lexus 700X is by extensive testing and proved past them.
Cold start performance on the Lexus LX700H is instant and reliable, regardless of temperature.
The exhaust system on the Lexus LX700H is optimized for both performance and emission control. It delivers a
Engine management systems on the Lexus LX700H use advanced computers and sensors to optimize performance.
The Lexus LX700H handles like a dream. The steering is responsive and communicative, giving you confidence in.
Suspension tuning on the Lexus LX700H is expertly balanced. It absorbs bumps and road imperfections effectively.
Braking performance on the Lexus LX700H is confident and reassuring. The brake pedal offers
Traction control systems on the Lexus LX700H ensure excellent grip in all weather conditions.
The Lexus LX700H feels planted on the road at high speeds. Wind and crosswinds have minimal impact, and the vehicle.
Low-speed maneuverability on the Lexus LX700H is impressive. Tight parking spaces, narrow streets, and complex
Cornering ability on the Lexus LX700H is excellent. Body roll is minimal, and the vehicle maintains its line through.
Acceleration feel in the Lexus LX700H is smooth and linear, whether you're asking for gentle acceleration or full throttle.
Ride quality on the Lexus LX700H is sophisticated. Long drives don't leave you fatigued, thanks to
overall driving dynamics of the Lexus LX700H create a harmonious experience, whether you're taking a spirited drive or settling in for a long journey.
When comparing the Lexus LX700H to its competition, value becomes crystal clear. This vehicle offers feature
of holders. The Lexus LX700H's pricing is competitive within its segment. When you factor in standard features,
Standard features on the Lexus LX700H far exceed what competitors offer at base trim levels. Safety system.
Resale value of the Lexus LX700H is exceptional. These vehicles hold their worth better than most competitors, meaning
ownership costs for the Lexus LX700H are surprisingly reasonable. Hybrid efficiency, reliable mechanics, and affordable
Warranty coverage on the Lexus LX700H is comprehensive and confidence-inspiring.
The hybrid advantage of the Lexus 700H sets it apart.
Market position of the Lexus LX700H is clear. It's the smart choice for discerning buyers. You're not sacrificing anything.
Bottom line on value, the Lexus LX700H delivers more for your money than almost any competitor. From day one,
safety is paramount in the Lexus LX700H. This vehicle has earned top ratings from major safety organizations.
The airbag system in the Lexus LX700H is comprehensive. Multiple airbags positioned throughout.
Structural integrity of the Lexus LX700H is exceptional. The body structure uses high-strength steel.
Advanced driver assistance systems on the Lexus LX700H work together to prevent accidents before they happen.
Blind spot monitoring on the Lexus LX700H is highly effective. Sensors detect vehicles in your blind.
The security system in the Lexus LX700H protects your investment. Alarm systems,
Child safety features on the Lexus LX700H are comprehensive. LH anchors, rear